Hey, what's up YouTube? Welcome to Civic Minded. Today we're going to be replacing this economy switch. It's super easy. I just thought I'd make a little quick how-to for those who don't know, because it's an easy procedure, but there is a bit of a gotcha in there, so we'll go over that. And the reason we're in the dark is so I can show you why I need to replace mine. The backlighting failed. It's working here, it's working on my steering wheel, it works on my climate. It just doesn't work here. And yes, I did verify that it's the backlight on the button itself, not the wiring going to it. So the only tool you really need for this job is a Phillips head screwdriver. Let me make it light again. So the only tool you really need for this job is a Phillips head screwdriver. This comes out real easily. First thing we need to do is we need to remove this very easy to break piece of trim down here. So start by, do not pull on this, that is how it breaks. Start by pulling from down here. Just be careful not to, this piece breaks easily, so be careful not to bend it there when you first get it off. But start here, pry this end like this. You can use a pry tool for this if you want, but you can do it by hand just as easy. Just be careful not to break it. Then once it's out, unplug whatever is back here and set it aside. That will give us access to this piece here. It similarly comes out very easily. Well, it would be easier if I wasn't filming, but oops. Just like that, and we can just unplug the old switch like that. Now the gotcha for this job is we need to take this vent out before this button comes free. You'll notice that it's kind of sandwiched with this screw here, so the vent's got to come out first. There are 1, 2, 3, 4 Phillips head screws that hold it in. Loosen all those, the vent will come right out. Very straightforward, comes out just like that, set it aside, and then there is only one Phillips head screw that holds the button in. So we'll get that out, and that's that. This would be a good time to clean this piece of plastic and the vent here. Here's the part number for the new button. It's very hard to find online. I ordered it from Honda Parts Now and they said it was out of stock, so I actually ended up calling a local dealer and they had to deliver it here, and it looks like it took a month judging by this date stamp here, but that's the part number you want. This procedure should also be applicable to the stability control off button in the SI. I'll leave a part number for that on screen. Went ahead and plugged it in to confirm that it does indeed work, and it does. Kind of hard to see on camera, but it does. The lights are on, so it's on. So installation is reversive removal. And that's pretty much it. We can turn the car on to make sure it still works. And indeed it does. I know, simple, short, sweet video. I just thought I'd make it for anyone who could benefit, anyone who maybe your bulb burnt out or your button's not working. As always, if you have any questions, feel free to comment, shoot me an email, shoot me a direct message. And as always, drive safe, have fun, and I will see you in the next one. And don't worry guys, we got some big mods coming from this car very soon.